Good morning, everyone. This is Tim at Makers Machining. I usually have my little card or my sign here about Makers Machining so you know who you're watching. In a nutshell, Makers Machining is here to tell and teach you about the various processes and ways that you can make your project. And this could enhance your knowledge and skills for both your job or your hobbies. We're going to take these projects that we work on from start to finish. Your setup and planning process to get the part made. We'll be using manual and drafting processes, but also going into CAD and CNC, which is today's technology primarily. You're going to see a lot of different projects and field trips and topics that we go on. Hopefully they're all pretty interesting to you, and that'll stimulate your interest in the machining process and increase your creativity in how you go about doing some of the work. So anyhow, I hope you continue to view and share and subscribe to Makers Machining. We've got a lot more videos coming up down the line here, so hope you enjoy watching them, and I keep them short and sweet for you, so they're quick and easy to recall and go back to. Anyhow, I'm glad you could stop by. This will be our little nutshell edition here, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. So long.